Hello everybody! Yes, I am still alive. I had to take a little break because life is hard. And I also have to take care of a puppy, as you can hear. Pokey, can you please be quiet, madam? But yeah, I am here again. And of course, I am going to dye my hair. Because let's be honest, dyeing your hair kind of makes all your problems disappear. So that is what I'm going to do today. Woohoo! But before I'm going to dye my hair, I just want to take a little moment to talk about today's sponsor. So today's video is kindly sponsored by Glasses USA, which is an online store that sells glasses. USA. They offer over 6,000 styles of eyeglasses and sunglasses, including their in-house brands, but also designer brands like Ray-Ban and Oakley. But they also have sports glasses, safety glasses, and glasses for kids as well. So they have a wide variety of glasses. And you can add any prescription to almost all of their glasses, including the sunglasses as well. And a complete pair of glasses starts at only 30 bucks. So that's not a lot at all. I got 4 pairs of glasses from them. 2 of them have a blue light filter. So these are some blue light filter glasses. Ooh. I also got these. And this is actually a backup pair because I already own this pair from them. I also got these super cool sunglasses. And the last pair that I got are these crazy big sunglasses that I love so much because they really remind me of the Zeros, and I absolutely love these. Sick! They also have a virtual mirror on their website where you can just upload a picture of yourself and then you can see how the glasses are going to look on your face, which is super useful because that way you can actually kind of try on your glasses without actually trying them on. So yeah, click the link in the description box down below to check out some glasses for yourself. So, great! Thank you Glasses USA for sponsoring this video, and let's now do things to this. My hair. Can you call this hair? I don't know. Today's hair dyeing video is going to be an adventure because I have to do a lot of things to get to the end result. And in case you have not seen the title yet, the end result will include some cow print, maybe? So yeah, as you probably know, I am obsessed with cow print. I don't know what it is. I just think I just love cows, okay? Cows are cute, cow print is cute, and I want it on my head. So today is finally the day where I'm going to turn myself into a cow. Look, I even got Pokey a cow toy. Pokey, wanna have it? Wanna have it? Just look how adorable. How adorable. So, first thing we gotta do. We gotta shape this head again because I look like a porcupine right now. Professional! So yeah. Let's do this. Again. Oh shit! Oh my god, look at this hair! It looks like hay or something. Ugh. Ah yes, I am bald again. This is literally all the hair that you shaved off. Just this tiny little ball. Huh, funny. So yeah, let's now continue on one of my favorite things to do ever, and that is bleach my hair. Bleach my hair. Yeah, beach. Honestly, this is just all routine work. Like we all know how this works because I've done it about a gazillion times already. But yeah, let's put some bleach on my tiny hair. Put some bleach on my head. You know, something that I did not realize is that having a bleach buzz cut is actually like a lot of work. I mean, you would kind of think that you don't really need to do anything about your hair, but damn, hair grows really fast. So like it only takes about 2 days for me to get like very visible roots already. So yeah, it actually is a lot of work. Damn, who would have thought that? Forbidden yogurt. So I'm going to let it sit in my hair for approximately 20 minutos. And then I'm gonna rinse it out. And then we can start on the fun part. Bitch, cow, I wanna be a cow. Oh god. Look how yellow this looks. Let me get some silver shampoo and see if I can make this less yellow. Because last time I checked, cows were not yellow and black. So let's try to fix this. Oh shit. Oh shit. Should I dye my hair this color? It actually looks pretty cute, right? Okay, everybody, it is time for me to show you all my artistic abilities. So I got some black hair dye over here. This is Eclipse Black by Lunar Tides hair dye. And I'm going to try and get some cow print on my head. So this is semi-permanent hair dye and it's actually like a very dark purple. So I hope it is gonna look more black than purple, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. Oh god. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Oh, this is gonna be so hard. Okay, and then make a tiny one over here. Moo. I don't think this looks like a cow print. I mean, this already looks kind of sick though. Damn. Damn. Oh god. Here? Yummy. This one looks so bad. Look at that. Oh. That does not look like cow print at all. Oh my god, it kind of looks like a poodle right now. Wait, can I show you? I am honestly just dyeing my scalp right now. Oh god, I can't reach it. Okay, so Crystal Picasso is done painting now. Look at this entire splotch of hair dye. Oh no, this is so ugly. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for a little bit and then I'm going to rinse it out. Which I don't know how I'm going to rinse it out yet though, because I feel like if I'm gonna rinse this out, I'm just gonna dye the rest of my hair as well. Which is something that I definitely do not want to happen. So maybe I should just leave it like this and never wash it out. Oh god. Is this a look or is this a disaster? I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna have to think about it. I am still wearing my dyeing shirt, as you can see, because it just did not turn out the way that I wanted to.
Surprise, surprise.
Like I said, I use semi-permanent hair dye and those tend to not be like full on black, but have like a color to them. And on my head, it literally looks like I drew some spots on with a ball pen.
Yep, and that's exactly what it looks like.
Yeah, it just looks like ink. So yeah, it just does not look like I want it to look. Especially this spot. So yeah, I got myself some help. My beautiful boyfriend, who still loves me even though I look like this.
Like an idiot.
So this time I got some actual black hair dye. What?
You're gonna do this with permanent hair dye.
Yeah. Also, fun fact, I did not actually dye my hair, but I just dyed my scalp. Like,
Great.
so I hope it's gonna, wash off eventually. Anyways. There are so many animals in our house right now. And they're making a lot of noise. Hey, okay. Yeah.
Hey mate. Hey mate.
Hey, Kaylee.
I will try to fix you. Alright, the big one.
The ugly one. Oh, this one looks so bad.
Yeah. But it's not really different from the other ones.
I'm pretty sure you're calling them all ugly.
Yeah. Yeah, not the one that looks like a penis, but the other ones are all ugly.
Do I have one that looks like a penis? Where? That was like my worst nightmare. And I would accidentally draw a penis on my head.
No.
No! I have pee-pee on my head. Oh boy. Those balls are hella thick as well. Okay, so now we can do your hair.
No.
Maybe I should get myself like a tattoo.
No. Yeah.
That's cool.
No.
Okay, so I'm going to let this sit in my hair and then I'm gonna show you the end result. Look, my tattoo is developing.
Yeah.
I have finally reached my final form. Oh my god, look at my hair. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look how cute this is. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. So yeah, I'll probably enjoy this hairstyle for about 2 weeks because after that it's probably already gonna be grown out. So cool. Also I got something, wait. Oh shit! Damn, this is such a look. Oh my god. Let me see how it's gonna look like with all my different glasses from Glasses USA. This is the first one. Shit. Shit. I look so cute with these glasses even though I have COWPRINT on my scalp right now. Damn. Damn. I don't think I'll ever get over how cool these glasses are. Like, damn, look at it. Shit. Shit. Oh yeah, everybody. This was today's hair dyeing video. Moo. I really hope y'all like my new hairstyle. What do you think about it, Pookie? Do you like it? Oh, oh. Do you like my new hairstyle? Oh. Ah, yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, you're cute. You adorable little baby. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my YouTube and my TikTok if you want to see more of this face and this hair. Okay, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye y'all.